Good morning, students. In this video, we'll see about this network management services provided by the CanOpen. So, the network management services available in the CanOpen. So, these include the NMT master message, the start or the stop nodes, node guarding, heartbeat, and emergencies. So, NMT slave state diagram. Every CanOpen slave node must implement an NMT state machine that allows the slave to be in different operating states. So this is the diagram. So upon power on reset, so that is a node upon from the reset, so it be node will be initialized. So it will be going to the pre-operational boot up state, and then either after pre-operational it may be stopped or it may be become fully operational depending upon the requirement. So these are all the some of the thing that is states. Okay, that is network management states. So that is upon boot up, only it will be in the node will be only in the initializing state. So upon heartbeat or node guard, so it will be, so at the end it will be in the stop. So that is this thing is here, it is explained. So this NMT CanOpen its specification, it does not provide any means for a node to auto start, which means there is no way for a node to switch into operational without waiting for a message from the NMT master. So in other words, auto start is now in accordance with the standard, but only the object dictionary entry is 1F80 is implemented to report that the node is auto start. So this heartbeat or the node guarding mechanism. So in order to be CanOpen compliant, every CanOpen slave node must implement either the heartbeat or the node guarding services. So the recommendation is to use the heartbeat instead of node guarding, as heartbeat consumes less bandwidth and it's more flexible and safe. So this is the heartbeat or the node guarding technique. With the heartbeat method, each slave node by itself, it transmits a heartbeat consisting of 1 byte CAN message containing the current NMT state a node is in. So that is, this is the thing, that is heartbeat time. It is each slave node it is transmitting. So the heartbeat producer time is configurable. So this figure illustrates the two heartbeat messages repeatedly produced by two individual nodes at the individual heartbeat times. So using node guarding, the NMT master becomes essential. So if it fails, all the nodes will be affected. So with the heartbeat method, no single node is essential for the heartbeat mechanism. So MC, that is CanOpen slave node, is assigned one emergency message. Sometimes it's referred to as MC. The CAN identifier used for this 80H plus, that is the address, the CanOpen node ID. So the node number 5 uses the CAN identifier 85H for transmitting emergency messages. Next one is the safety relevant communication. So when communicating between the nodes, that is we can go for this safety. So in terms of hardware you can duplicate, or in terms of software you can duplicate. So this is the adding this that is software redundancy. This one adding the hardware redundancy, you are having two sets of microcontroller, CAN controller. So if one thing is failed, you can make use of the other thing. So you can go for redundancy. So we can also go for wiring redundancies. So that is adding safety to the CanOpen. So or you can go for the, that is safety relevant data object. So it consists of two messages. So the first one for the regular PDOs, the second message is a duplication of the first with all the data bits inverted and at least 2 bits inverted in the message identifier. This is your SRDO object, SRDO dot data, and it is inverted. So these are the SRDO OD object dictionary entries. So thank you for watching.